Welcome to my channel Math from Basic. Dear student, today I have discussed a different method of taking LCM. Dear student, see its first method, least lowest common multiple LCM. LCM word is derived from lowest common multiple. Different method of finding LCM. In this video I will discuss different method of finding LCM, but this example I have already written. Find LCM of 30 and 36. This example shows you that how can you take word LCM from multiple from the table. See here I have written table of 30 and table of 36 because I want to take LCM of 30 and 36. So I have written the table of 30 up to 12 time and table of 36 up to 11 time. This is due to get common in both. 180 is common in 36 and it is also common in 30, table of 30, and then you can see that 360 is common in 36 as well as it is also common in the table of 30. 360 is common in both. Now I have written here multiple of 30. Multiple of 30 are all the multiples are written here, and then multiple of 36 are also written here. Now you will see that 180 is common in both table of 30 and table of 36, and secondly you will see that 360 is common in table of 30 and also table of 36. 360 is also common, but you see that 180 is lowest in both the tables while 360 is higher in both of them. So we will take lower one is 180 and 180 in both the tables. So LCM will be 180 in both. Now I am going to discuss second method, prime factorization. Now we will find LCM by prime factorization and other different methods. Let us start here. You will find prime factors of 30 and 36. Now I will write here 30 to get its prime factors. You know that 30 can be divided by 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. You will take always prime number to divide these. So divide 30 by 2. You will get 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Now from 3 subtract 2, you will get 1 and 0 here, and 2 5s are 10. Remainder is 0. Remainder always should be 0. Now 15 is our answer. So to get prime factors, you will write 30 here. After dividing 30 by 2, you will get 15. 15 here. Now 15 can't be divided by 2. It will be divided any other prime number, and second prime number is 3. 15 can be divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 here. Now 5 can be divided by prime number 5 only. 5 ones are 5. These are the prime factors of 30, 2, 3 and 5. Prime factors of 30. Now you will find prime factors of 36. Let us find prime factors of 36. In the same way, you will divide 36 by 2. You will see that 36 can be divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Subtract 2 from 3, you will get 1 and 6 here. 2 8s are 16. Remainder 0, and 18 is our answer. You will write 18 answer here and divisor here. Now 18 again divided by 2, you will get 2 9s are 18. Again divide 9 by 2, but you will get any remainder, so you will not divide by 2, so divide it by 3. When 9 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9, you will get 3 as its answer, remainder will be 0. And then again divide 3 by 3, you will get 3 ones are 3, 1 is your answer and remainder is 0. Now it is finished, and these are the prime factors of 36. Now we will write prime factors here. Prime factors of 30. What are prime factors of 30? These are 2, 3 and 5. And what are prime factors of 36? We should write here multiplication sign instead of commas. Now prime factors of 360, prime factors of 36 prime factors of 36 are 2 2 3 3, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Now you will see here which numbers are common in both. 2 is common in both and 3 is also common in both. You will take common as well as not common to get its LCM. Dear student, to find LCM, now you will choose from here the prime number which are common as well as which are not common. See here, I am making loop of common first. These 2's are common and these 3's are also common. So we will take common only one time. So 2 multiply by 3. This 2 is also common and this 3 is also common, so I have taken these. Now see here, this 2 and this 5, these are not common. I will also take not common, so 2 multiply by 3 from not common, and 5 is also not common, so you will also take 5 here. After taking common as well as not common, you will multiply these by making their pairs. Now you can make the pair like this, and this single digit can also make a single pair. Now multiply these. 2 3s are 6. This multiplication sign here. 2 3s are 6. This multiplication sign here, and 5. Now multiply all these. This pair, again make pair, and this is single one. Now 6 is the 36, and this multiplication sign here and 5 here. Now you will multiply these. 5 6 are 30 and 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3 get 18. 180. Then again our answer is 180. It means that answer is right. Dear student, now see third method, index notation. To get index notation, you will write these in the form of index notation. You will see here that 2 is 1 time, 3 is 1 time, 5 is also 1 time, while here 2 is 2 time and 3 is also 2 time. So you will write index notation of 30 and 36. In the form of index notation, you will write 30 as 2 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 1, and 5 raised to power 1 or 5 exponent 1, because these are only one time in table of 30. When we have um, get prime factorization of 30, we have got 2, 3 and 5, and I have written in the form of index notation here. Now 36 in the form of index notation, you will get 2 is 2 time and 3 is also 2 time, so you will write 2 raised to power 2 and 3 raised to power 2, while 5 is 1 time, and here you will see that 5 is 0 time. There is no 5, so you will write 5 0 time. Now to get LCM by this method, you will take higher power, not lower power. You will take higher power to get LCM. So I am going to write here LCM. To get LCM, you will take higher power in both the numbers, from both the index notation of the numbers. See here, higher power is 2 raised to power 2. From 2's, you will see that 2 raised to power 2 is higher power, so you will write here 2 raised to power 2. Now from 3's, you will see that 3 raised to power 2 is higher, this is lower, and from here you will see that 5 raised to power 1 is higher, not 5 raised to power 0. 5 raised to power 1 is higher, so you will write 5 raised to power 1 here. Now you see that 2 raised to power 2, 2 2's are 4. When 2 is multiplied 2 times, you will get 4, and 3 multiplied by 3, you will get 9. 3 raised to power 2 mean 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9, and 5 raised to power 1 means 5. Now after multiplying all these, you will see that if you multiply 5 4s are 20, and 20 when multiplied by 9, you will get 9 2s are 18, 180 again, that is the LCM. You will see that by index notation you can easily find LCM by taking higher power of the index notation. Dear student, method 4 is the division method. With this method you will take our numbers. The numbers were 30 and 36. You will take a prime number that can divide both the numbers. So you can see that 2 can divide both. When 30 divided by 2, you will get 15 as its answer, and remainder will be 0. And when you will divide 36 by 2, you will get 18. The remainder will be 0 and 18 will be your answer. Now you can't divide 15 by 2, but you can divide 18 by 2. So you will again take 2 and you will divide the number which can be divided. So when 18 is divided by 2, you will get 9 as its answer. Now you can see that no number can be divided by 2, so divided by 3. So let us divide it by 3. 3 5s are 15 and 3 3s are 9. Now divide by 3 again. 5 will remain as such, and 3 1s are 3. Now divide by 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 will remain here. Now all these number will give us our LCM. So write LCM here. LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. By making pairs, you can multiply all these. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, then 5, and then 5 4s are 20. 20 multiplied by 9. 9 2s are 18. 180 will be your answer. Dear student, I think all these four methods can be used to find LCM, and for HCF I have shown you 6 methods to find HCF. If you will see that different methods of HCF and what are different methods of taking LCM, you will be fully aware about HCF and LCM, and you will never get any confusion while finding HCF or LCM. Any type of question is given, every type of question you can solve. Thanks, take care, Allah Hafiz.